Hi everyone, my name's Cathy. Welcome to Skint Living UK. As some of my viewers may know, I'm doing a bit of DIY to save some money at the moment because I'm trying to refurbish the house so I can get it up for sale. And I've just had an email from B&Q. I'm not affiliated to them in any way. They're doing 4 for 3 on Dulux and Dulux trade paint. It's usually 2 for 3, 3 for 2, but it's 4 for 3 at the moment, so the discounts aren't as good. But they're also doing like satin wood as well and gloss. It's not just emulsion. But what I thought was also interesting is they're doing 50% off outdoor living, so it's all garden furniture and stuff as well, but it's also barbecues. And what I thought was a good deal was this camping stove. So if you want to do a bit of cooking outside, keep the heat outside the house, maybe keep your energy bills a bit lower, this might be worth a little go. It's £7, it should have been 15. I think that's a cracker price, and there's loads of barbecues there from £15 upwards. There's a good barrel one with the pull down lid, which I think is good if you're leaving your barbecue outside in case any beasties want to infiltrate. So check it out. Like I said, I'm not affiliated to them anyway. I just thought there was a couple of good deals there on the paint and the camping stove, and maybe if you're interested in buying a barbecue, also to save some money on your energy bills. If you could be so kind, could you please like, share and subscribe. Bye for now.